You got it, Jason.
Ah! What? That's not even doable. That's not possible.
Yeah, it is.
Ah! Dude, I had it. It was it.
All right, guys, we are very excited to be here today with the world's top professional athlete, Tony Hawk. We're here at the Hawk Ramp in Berkeley, California. Actually, this is Jason Park, and he's a street skater. But you skate transition.
I skate transition. I've never skated a vert ramp before.
Never, ever.
Well, I've like rolled around. I've never dropped in. It looks really scary. But
on like a mini ramp like that, you can do like 1,000 tricks.
yeah, mini ramps are okay. I'm a tiny little potato-bodied human, so the smaller obstacles work a little better for me. The big ones for the big boys, not as good.
Yeah. So we've been doing this series where we drop in on vert ramps. So today we're gonna drop in on the vert ramp.
Here we go. Yeah,
Here
we're
we
gonna
go.
try. I'm gonna try anyway. No promises. I'm very scared of many things.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm very scared. I'm a scared little boy, but with the guidance of this man next to me, hopefully I'll be able to achieve something.
JD, that was your cue. He said the man next to him.
Wow, you gotta learn that, Aaron.
It's that easy, huh?
So this is JD. I taught him how to do a 180 and now he's here.
Yep. Yeah, that was a long time ago. And now I've been skating a lot more ever since then. And
Yeah, you have.
yeah.
You're welcome, world. See what we're doing? We're teaching the future generation how to do 540s. Okay, so can you help us?
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
Okay, what you
Help me! Jason's gonna drop
Help! Help! Help me!
in. So do that one first, I guess.
The mini?
Yeah. When in the very beginning, when I called it Tony Hawk's ramp, I was just joking. This is the UC Berkeley ramp from the UC Berkeley skate camp, and they're teaching people to skate all over the world. It is not Tony Hawk's ramp, and that man right there, that Asian guy, is not Tony Hawk. So that's very clear. So I have to say a huge, huge, huge thanks to UC Berkeley for letting us skate the ramp.
Hold on, I need to make this bigger. I need an adult. I've never used a helmet. Ouch. This is harder than the drop-in. Dude, how do you do this?
So you think you can do it?
Of course. I think he's gonna do it first try, and that's what I'm worried about.
This sucks. Is the red one bigger? Did you loosen it up?
This is small.
Dude, I can't. Okay, I'm getting there.
Look at his helmet with his head. Nigel, that helmet does not look as good on you as Bob's did.
It's wide.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, JD, can you show these kids how to drop in?
All right.
He like manualed it. Literally, you hear what he said?
That one
is the same. It actually is.
That's it, huh?
He's gonna do it first try.
Does he got it?
Sorry, I almost hurt you.
He's gonna do it first try. I'm scared for these. These wheels are still like brand new. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Oopsie. Okay.
All right, Aaron.
Oh, now it gets scary.
Go up
Wait,
there.
they're going straight up there?
I
think you should move your kombucha.
Oh my gosh. This is way scarier.
You're just going?
Yeah.
Straight for it.
Yeah. How tall is this? How tall is this?
11.
This is 11? I thought there was like an 8 somewhere.
No, that's 10.
Oh, that's 10, sorry.
Okay, okay.
Do you want to show him, JD?
Yeah, all right. The same thing as that one, just the transition's bigger, which makes it easier. So if you fall,
Which makes it
Oh, it's easier.
Yeah.
I forgot that it was easier. Okay. I forgot that it's easier. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
I wish I would have brought my helmet and my knee pads and my skateboard. Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
Jason,
I got it.
you got it. Oh, you know we're going to that one, right?
All right, what's next?
That one.
That one? No, there's a stepping stone, right? Okay, next is this one. That one's 11.
You want to do that one again, or you chilling?
Okay.
Is it scary?
Yeah. That's really scary. Okay.
You gotta tell the camera everything, Jason.
Okay. Everything is that I'm scared. All right, right here. Okay. I just gotta go for it.
You got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
I love all the tricks they've done. Yeah, boy. That guy's too good.
He's so good.
Leave it in the comments below if you would just drop in on the vert ramp like that.
No.
Just so you know, Jason,
Yeah.
when we did this, several of the Braille guys, I won't name names, but you know, several of them were up there for like a good 20, 30 minutes before
really?
they did that one. Yes.
I'm glad I didn't know that. I just assumed they all did no problem.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So what's the next step?
JD, if you could.
That one right there.
That'd be great. Thanks.
Okay. That one's the next one, huh?
You got it.
All right.
You got it.
Okay, no thinking. Turn the brain off and let the body hit the floor.
Alright, Jason, you got it. No biggie. You got it.
This one, it seems like, I know it's not oververt, but it looks like oververt.
Yeah, it does.
You got it, Jason.
Ah!
Scaring the kids.
If I land this, then you gotta drop in.
Oh, he's gonna do it? Okay, one more.
Yeah.
Let's go! So that's easy, huh? No problem, huh?
Wait, I'm just gonna look at this one real quick.
He's going back. He's going back down.
I dropped in a bunch of times.
I'm looking.
On these.
It's the same thing. Right here. I got it, right.
Did you ever drop it on this? Yeah. You did, okay.
Okay.
You got it, bud.
Got it.
What? That's not even doable. That's not possible.
Yeah, it is. I've never seen him scared like this.
Okay. Get out of here, Nigel. We get it, okay? We get it, okay. Ah! Dude, I had it, it was it.
Oh, yeah.
Got it.
What in the world?
All right.
But now you just gotta do
That was
this.
so scary.
Was it really?
It was really scary.
Now you just got one more.
Okay, how tall is that one?
13.
Okay.
I feel like that really is the technique to drop in for the first time. You just have to scream.
Look at all this vert.
I know.
Oh my god.
Hey, you still handled that though, Aaron.
Oh, I handled it.
My heart is like pumping.
Like a very scared person.
Oh god. Okay, where's my spot? Right here, I guess. Okay. Dude, what the heck? Honestly, it's about equally as scary as the other one, I guess. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
At the end of the day, it's all birds, man.
Just let out a battle cry and go to work.
No.
Yeehaw, brother.
Dude, no way. Okay. Ah! Dude. How do people do this?
I believe in you, Dad.
So when I was younger, well, I wasn't that much younger, it was like 10 years ago, maybe actually it was like 6 years ago, I was standing on a vert ramp looking and I was like, there's no way I'll ever do that. And a 6-year-old girl just like, you're scared of that? And then she dropped in and was doing these huge airs. and I think that scarred me, that traumatized me.
You gotta do it now.
That's pretty much like the exact same thing that happened today. But...
She was genuinely shocked. She's like, "You're scared of that?" And I was like, "Yeah." Like she couldn't understand why I was scared. I don't even get, okay. Okay. I know how to drop in. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna look at this one again. I'm gonna do that strategy. Just gonna look.
I do a 5, what you do?
Okay, this one actually seems less scary than that one, for sure now.
That is honestly same.
So the top is the same on both of those?
Yeah.
Oh, there's more vert on the one.
Well, 1.5 of purple. What I'm saying is, if it's a
If I do a 5, what you do it?
I don't know. Okay, right here. No! That's so scary. I don't like this. I don't like this.
You can do it.
Ah!
That was good. That scream terrified
That
me.
was so scary.
Was it?
That was so
Did it
scary.
like a champ.
Yes, thank you.
Was it scary?
That was so scary.
Tell me everything.
I didn't like it. That's not where I was meant to be.
I love how he describes it. Such a simple man.
I didn't
Tell me
like
everything.
it at all.
I didn't like it.
Oh my gosh, even when I was doing it, it felt wrong. Finally.
That's when I did my first one. I was like,
Yes, thank
never again. I'll never do it again.
I don't want to do it no more.
Is this like Woodward?
No.
Or is that like Woodward?
It's just weird how
Nah,
much scarier
this one's
one is
closer to
than this
Woodward.
one.
I think Woodward's bigger than this, to be honest.
How tall is this?
That's 13.
I think Woodward is 13. Yeah.
That one is way scarier than this one. I thought it'd be the same thing. I don't want to do it again.
Different type of fear.
Yes, thank you.
Woo. All right. JD, take us out of here.
Yeah, take us out. Take us away.
Lean back.
Got it. Lean back, everyone.
Yeah! That was awesome.
I'm out of here.
What in the? How did he? Wow! What? Wow. Dude, you messed up the air on the other side and still landed that.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to learn that?
It took me like, I learned it and then I lost it, but then I got it back. Now I'm trying different grabs, so it took me like maybe a month or 2 to land one.
Wow.
And then I had to practice a lot to get it down or do it almost every try. And now I'm trying different variations and it's fun but scary.
So who taught you how to do a 180?
You did.
Come on now, come on!
Yeah,
Alright,
that
well.
was fun.
So you learned how to skate vert here at the UC Berkeley Skate Camp.
Yep.
So you just signed up, you came here, and you got some instruction.
Yeah, and then now I'm where I'm at right now. So you guys should check this place out. It's so sick.
Literally just did a 540 in your face. No big deal.
720 coming soon.
Yeah, hopefully.
You working
yeah.
on it?
Yeah, I really want to get it. I can get the spin, but I'm just scared of it.
Yeah, that's amazing.
2 spins is scary.
Yeah, it is scary. I mean, I've only done it once. It was pretty scary. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, don't you think that they should learn how to skate?
Oh, heck yeah.
Because it's fun, right?
Yeah, it's really fun.
Just learn. It'll change your life. It's super
Yeah.
fun. Get a skateboard. BrailleSkateboarding.com. Let's go.